Hello friends, now I am going to discuss BFM recollected questions. LC within retail portfolio AAA rated securities 3000 crores, standby LCs 2000, standby LCs 1000, performance bonds and bid bonds 2000, financial guarantees 1000 and confirmed LC for imports 1000. The question is what is the amount of risk weighted assets for LC within a retail portfolio? The solution is credit conversion factor for LC portfolio AAA rated is 20%. So adjusted exposure is 3000 into 600. So 600 into 600, 20% is 120 crore. 120 crore is our answer. And the next one, what is the amount of risk weighted assets for standby LCs? So next question, answer standby LC is 100%. So adjusted exposure is 2000 into 100%, that is 2000 crore. So RWA is 2000 into 50%, that is 1000 crore. And the next one, what is the amount of risk weighted assets for standby LC particular transaction AA rated? And that one, the answer is for standby LC particular rated 50%. So adjusted exposure 1000 into 50 by 100, that is 500. So RWA 150 crore. And fourth one, and for the fourth one, for performance bonds and bid bonds, so that is 50%. So adjusted exposure 2000 into 50 by 100, that is 1000. So 1000 crore. Next one, fifth one, for financial guarantees. For financial guarantees, that is 100 crores. So adjusted exposure into 100%. For confirmed LC, that is 20%. So adjusted exposure is 1000 into 20 by 100, that is 200 crore. Total risk weighted assets 120. Adding all together, we are getting 2610 crore. Then capital required is 11.5% of 2610, that is 300 crores. This is our solution. And next one, these are all we have seen already. Capital required is 300 crores. And next one, high quality liquid assets. Components of a common equity tier 1 capital, tier 2 capital, CRR, SLR, and narrow money M1. This is actually from ABM. What is tier 2? T plus 2 rate. T plus 2 rate is a spot rate. Hedge rate risk. Hedge rate risk is nothing but systemic risk. Dollar payment default by Hedge rate bank. Dollar payment default by quick tricks and mirror account. And next one, revolving LC, bill of lading, CD minimum deposit, IT refund within income, ECGC updated country risk on. Next one, crystallization to be decided by whom? To be decided by the bank. Crystallization of export bills, factoring operation, country risk. Many questions from ECGC and its functions, like standard policies of ECGC do not provide cover under. Many options are given. How much overdraft facility is to be provided in NRE account and how many days? Yield curve risk. Question on contingent liabilities, funding risk, funding risk, time risk, and call risk comes under which category? Country risk. Question on counter cyclical capital buffer. Next one, yield and duration. 1 mark numerical from bond price basis point value. Question on securitization system, synthetic securitization concept. What is the minimum amount required for certificate of deposits? Next one, what is the LAV facility of RBI? Liquidity adjustment facility. What is open market operations? If CRR limit is not maintained, is not done, what will be the rate of fine by the RBI? One question of external commercial borrowing. Next one, M1, M2, M3 also we have to read. I think these are all out of syllabus questions, but they have asked in today's questions. What is the minimum bid amount of repo rate? Read the LAF completely. And who will decide the call money market? And next one, components of tier 1 and tier 2 capital. Next one, a hybrid capital instrument of tier 2 capital, ALM case study. case study, and one question going and gone concern concept. Going concern concept is a tier 1 capital, and gone concern is a tier 2. We have to refer page number 497 and 498 for tier 1 and tier 2 capitals. Next one, internal capital adequacy assessment process. As per RBI guidelines of ALM, capital and reserves to be placed in 5-year over bucket. Savings and current deposits may be classified into volatile and core portions. Savings bank and current assets deposits are generally drawable on demand. This portion may be treated as volatile, while volatile portion can be placed on time buckets of 50 days. The core the time deposits are to be placed in the core bucket. Capital reserves, current account, savings bank, time deposits of 1 month maturity, and time deposits of 6 months maturity, time deposit of 3 year, term deposit above 3 years, borrowing from RBI. Based on the information asked, they answer the following questions. What is the amount of current account deposits that can be placed in 14 times bucket? The answer is B. B is 150 crore. Did this friend? Now the same question, but this kind of a question was asked in the examination. And next one, what is the amount of savings bank deposit that can be placed in 14 days package? Volatile portion of 10% to be placed in this package. So 4,000 into 10 by 100, that is 400. What is the amount of current deposits that can be placed in 1 to 3 years package? So that is 850 crore. The solution is non-volatile portion of 90% to be placed in this packet. So 1000 into 85 by 100, that is 850. What is the amount of savings bank deposit that can be placed in 1 to 3 years time packet? The answer is B. Non-volatile portion of 90% is to be placed in this packet. What is the total amount of deposits that will be placed in the various maturity packets after less than 12 months? So that is 4,400 crores. So that's it, friends. Please read carefully this ALC problem and this time deposit time bucket problems. 3 marks from page number 411 and 412. Call money rate decided by whom? Maximum call money borrowing percentage by the commercial bank. Maximum lending on PDs. 6 marks questions on components of tier 1 and tier 2 capital. Page number 497. We can find this tier 1 and tier 2 capital. Thank you, friends, and kindly share this video, friends, so that thank you for watching this video, friends, and kindly subscribe to our channel.